So I just picked this up. It's a Coleman Fleetwood, and it's the next project. It's got 3 brand new tires. It's got some kind of luggage rack, bike rack, I think it is. Some kind of rack for bikes, canoes, I'm not sure. Got the air conditioner. There's the refrigerator and heater. Water hookup. Brand new tire. Outdoor shower is taped up for now because I don't have a key. There's the electric hookup. There's the heater. It's got a front storage box. 1 propane heater for now. It's got a setup for 2. What do we got as far as hookup? Let's see. Looks like it's not the 4-pin flat. It's the 2, 4, 6-pin round. And the door is on this side by the light on the brand new tire, and looks to be in good shape. We'll get it opened up and go from there. See what kind of goodies we got in here. There's the hot water heater. Got a couple different hitches, stabilizer, some wood blocks for the wheels, I guess. So far the floor looks good, no water damage, just from first sight. Really have to check it out though. So far it's cranking up pretty good. Keep going, you're not on.
Put me on a video.
Looks like we'll clear that. Well, it stopped cranking, so I guess we're up as high as it goes. See if we can get the door open. Well, good thing I got the key. Otherwise we can't get this door open. So you gotta turn this whole thing to the right. That opens. And it looks like, now I can't get the key out. Looks like a step. Then we gotta bring the door down. Looks pretty clean in here so far. So this slid out. We got the poles installed. So we'll slide this out. Okay, that's as far as it goes. And I gotta put the poles in. So we got the poles in, folding that up. Oh, so we pulled the mattress out. One of them looks in good shape. We're just gonna shampoo it and clean it. And clean it up good. But it looks okay. I got the other mattress out. It looks in good shape. Again, we're just gonna air it out. We're probably gonna shampoo it, clean it up before putting it back in. So there's the vet. That's the other project. So the canvas looks really, really good. I don't know if this was replaced at some time, but for its age, I mean, this looks really good. It's a 1998, so I'm thinking this must have been replaced at some point because it's in really good shape. I got this all open. So the cushions look really good. Even the plastic windows are clean and clear. We'll have to plug in the air conditioner, make sure that works. But everything looks to be in really good shape. Needs a little TLC. For for the most part, it looks to be in good shape. Guess we'll need to put a fire extinguisher there. One of the things I noticed is these fit in that metal plate. However, on the other side, that's missing. So I'm going to have to get a new one of them because this isn't going to stay in. But put that on the to-do list. We'll have to check out the door. Got the refrigerator. And not too bad. It's kind of clean. We'll have to check that out, make sure that works. Got our sink and stove. Wow, this thing's really heavy. Try to do this one-handed. Wow, that was heavy. And it looks like I found the piece I need. Alright. I just have to rivet that back on. But at least I have it. There's the stove, looks in good shape. I'm gonna turn that on, make sure that works. Lots of storage. There's the heater. We'll have to make sure that works. But the cushions again are in really good shape. So it just needs a little TLC. Okay, remove the cushions and we're finding lots of storage. So far the floor looks good. It looks like there was a sleeping bag. This drawer looks like it needs some work. So maybe we can come up with something different. Fix that. What we got in here? There's part of the battery cover. More storage. We'll get these cushions up, and so we lifted up the other cushions. Found more storage. Looks like a bag of goodies there. This is the table, and there's storage under there. Looks like some lights, and we're getting there. Checking out the drawers, and found the fire extinguisher. Let's see. Some hoses. A bunch of stuff in here. There's a pump for the sink, the water. Alright. One thing I wanted to point out is this is all metal. This is all metal. Well, except for this. This is like plastic. But this is metal. I thought some of these are fiberglass. This is aluminum, metal. Looks like it's very well made. So I pulled the drawer out because this is shot. And I don't really have much use for a drawer there. I think I'm going to eliminate that and just put a board here. I pulled the screws out of this, so this will open. Maybe just use this for storage. So we'll get that fixed up. So underneath the slide out, you have these bars, these poles that come down, and they go up into these, I don't know what you call them, latches, to hold them up when you slide this in place. There's two of them. However, on the other side, they're missing. So on this side, they're not there, they're missing. So it's hard to slide this in because they keep falling down. So I ordered some new ones. I got 2 of them here, and I'll have to install these. Got one of these real flat ones. Get that in there. That way it's nice and flat. It won't cut into the cushion. That's flat. Alright, get that on there. Then put a nut on. Try and get that on. Alright, got a wrench on there, got that tight. Make sure this fits in there. There. Now when that slides in, it won't hit and get stuck, so we'll just have to do the same thing to the other side. But if you need these, this is the part number I got. You gotta order more of them.